What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to make a neon glow effect in Photoshop CS6. A lot of people have been asking me how to do this, and I'm like, it's pretty easy, but you know, I haven't made a tutorial video in a while, so might as well just do it on this because it's pretty easy and pretty much anybody can do it as long as you follow these simple steps. What you're going to need to do is find out your screen resolution first, and just right click on your screen, go to screen resolution, and here it is right here. 1366 by 768. That's my recommended one. That's the highest mine goes up to. That's nothing you need to know. And yeah, you're gonna use that. Use those numbers, and then open up your Photoshop. Go to File, New. Type in the first number right here in the width and in the height, which is mine 768 right here, and I'm gonna name it to Tempo 2013. I don't know why, but yeah. Click OK, and then you're done. I'm going to click this first and then change. I usually make my background black, but yeah, you can either pull out the paint bucket or you can click Alt Backspace, makes it faster. Click OK on that thing from the background to layer 0. I don't know, but I like it that way. It's easier to have that. Then you click, well, first of all, you can either have these boring text things, which I'll show an example for both, for text that you made in Photoshop, not Photoshop, Cinema 4D, and the text that you use in Photoshop. But first I'm going to show you how to do the one in Cinema 4D. Click File, Place, and then you go to wherever you saved it. Mine's already right here. Tempo. And there's my, oops, I gotta click on Tempo first. Well, there's my Tempo text right there. And what you're gonna do now is click the new layer, and it'll bring up the new layer. Make sure that's clicked. Then you're gonna click on your little paintbrush right here. Let me see, we're gonna change this one to like a light, the hardness not so much, and then the pixels, let's say 65. And there you have it. I like to do neon colors because it makes it look cooler like that. I'm gonna go for pink the first time, and then you just take it and you just move it along. After that, you just choose different colors to what you like. I'm gonna go like this, and we're gonna go with green for the M. You can sort of just mess around with this, fill it in how you like, but you know, just doing this for a tutorial. I'm not really doing it the best, but you don't have to put it on the thing, it won't show up. And for the last one, we're gonna use nice yellow. Or should we use a different color? Let's use orange. Let's use orange for half and the other half for yellow. Yellow, yeah. I'm just gonna take the yellow and just like mess around with it, and then I don't know. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to cough. And after you're done doing that, what you're gonna do is click on Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, you click on that one. Then you're gonna like look at the text that's right there, and then try to see if you could find the text. You want to make it like right there, how you can see a little text popping out. You want to make it to where you could like barely see it like that. Then you click OK. And after you're doing that, you have to make sure your layer 1 is clicked, or whichever one you have it as, and then you're gonna click normal and then color. See, now you have the little thing right there. Now to make it pop out a little bit more, you're gonna want to add some bevel to it. You're gonna click bevel and then outer glow. I'm gonna go to outer glow, and I'm gonna change mine to 23. And for inner glow, I like to put it at like 15. What else? I think that's about it for that one. And so after you're done doing that, if you want to have it like a regular text, let's type in, what should we type in? I'll just do the same thing I have on mine. GFX artist. We're gonna highlight that. Let's select the text. Let's go with, do that one. Yeah, we'll do that one. This text is called 08 Underground. If you want to get that text, you can go to defont.com and just find it. That's cool. And for this, you're just gonna create a new thing, a new layer, and do the same thing over again. Where's my paintbrush? There we go. Wait, actually, before we do that, I'm gonna sorry. We're gonna change it to a nice white, just so it would look better. Go back to the paintbrush, and we'll choose our color to whatever we want. There we go. Now select that back again, and then we're just gonna go over this weirdly. Sort of just do random colors and test what you like. I'm just like going through this fast to get this done because I don't have a lot of time. And then we're just gonna go with I don't know, pink again. I did yellow twice, I don't know why, but forgot that I already did it. We're gonna go with an orange. What should we go with next? A red? Yeah, we'll go over to red. And then we're just gonna put a line, just to make it weird. And after you do that, you're gonna do the same thing. Go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. And then see how the little text pops out? You wanna make it to where you can barely see it. See, now I can barely see it. Click OK. Go to the drop down thing on the layer, then click color. Now you can see that it's like you can barely see it now. Well, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the thing that you typed, click blending options. Oh, if I can make this small, I don't think I can make it smaller, but you add the bevel, the outer glow. The outer glow, I'm gonna change this to 23 again, and then the inner glow, I'm gonna change that to 15 just to have it the same. And then there you have it. Let me see if I add this. That looks weirder looking, but if you want to add a gradient overlay, that's what it would look like. Looks kind of cooler. I'm going to keep that. Click OK, and then there you have it. That was a tutorial on how to make a neon glow effect. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more. If you like this tutorial, comment below and say what you want a tutorial on.